Guys, this is Dodge Charger 2009, 8, and as you can see, the armrest is in very bad condition. I tried fixing it, but you can still see it. So I came up with a conclusion to replace the leather. Okay, check this out. So what you need to do, as you can see, I took it apart. First you gotta remove these screws right here. Okay, those are the screws, and then you have to unclip the inside from here. Okay, just use like clip remover and go like all the way around. And as you can see, I broke some, but anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I think I could remove this part as well, but as you can see, there's like soft material on the bottom here or the top here. See, so I can just put it on the top of this one, or I can remove it and have that padding removed from this part and install a new one. As you can see, if I put it over, it still looks good. You don't see much here, even though you may feel some, but it looks good. So I'm still thinking. Okay, so I'm gonna use hot glue to put this on. Make sure you pull it. And just hold it. Make sure it's tight. Okay. And just hold it. Let it cool. Okay, now I'm gonna glue the back. Make sure it's tight as well. And then hold it. Let it cool down. Okay. Looks good already. Then we can do the sides. We can start from the front. Ouch, it's hard. Get the edges. Make sure it's not like sagging here. Pull it. Okay, let's continue. If you have a stapler, this would probably help. As you can see, they use stapler here. Okay. Let's do the other side. Make sure you get the corners first and then do like the sides. Okay guys, as you can see, everything is glued, but hot glue doesn't hold as good, I would say. If you can also use a glue, some kind of glue to do this would be also helpful. I tried using a stapler, but it doesn't go through, so it just doesn't stick. I don't know. Check this out. I have this big stapler. I'm trying to do it. As you can see, it just falls out. So it doesn't work with the stapler. So I think I'm gonna use some other glue so this doesn't come off. Or maybe it's gonna work like this, the way it is, because once we install this right here, this will hold. Okay, but I don't know if it gets like really hot from the sun. I hope it doesn't come off. So we can install it like this or use some other glue, like I said, to apply some glue here around it so it would actually hold. I'm gonna use Gorilla Glue. Just go around the edges. Make sure it holds so it doesn't come off. Okay, so now let's go ahead and install it. It looks like the front goes first because there's like this thing, but I guess I broke one right here. So when removing it, make sure you remove the back first. Okay, and when installing it, install the front first. Has to go inside there, and then okay, it looks like I'm trying to get this in. Yep, it locks, as you can see. Okay, all set. Now let's put it back together. Now as you can see, it's like new. Okay, put the screws in. Okay, make sure you align it correctly. As you heard, it wasn't aligned correctly. Okay, put the other screws. You can use like a, I'm not sure which one I used, but it's 7 mm. Okay, or you can use this one to tight. Because Phillips doesn't work as good, so I'm trying to make it tight so it doesn't get loose. Okay, that's good enough, so let's go ahead and close it. As you can see, it looks like brand new. Okay. Now let's open it, check if everything is working. As you can see, it's like brand new. Everything works. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.